Okay, guys. So shall I start? You have to apply. I'll tell you. I'll just post the things on Slack. We didn't yet launch it. We are about to launch it. On Monday, we will launch. I mean, on first. By next week, it will be there. By next Monday, sorry, next Monday, it will be there. Yeah, I'll tell you, Muskan. We are just thinking to launch it on first. By Monday, you can get all the details regarding it. So I'll post about that in Slack. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, guys. Then. Chalo. So shall we start? Yes. Okay, fine. So today, now we are done with all the steps, all these steps, right? So we have deployed it and all, and now it is time to create our user interface. So to create this user interface, we have a service called Node-RED in IBM. So first of all, let's create Node-RED service. Let's create Node-RED service. Okay. So now you have already opened your IBM accounts, right? Go to the dashboard page. Is everyone on this page, on the dashboard page? Click on the dashboard page. Go to the dashboard page. So you can create the service of Node-RED from catalog. So click on catalog. Go to software now. Software. Here you can search for Node-RED, Node-RED. So you'll get this Node-RED app. Or else from dashboard, Vaishnavi, from Watson Studio, that will not get redirected to dashboard. You have to come to the next page. Come to the next page. There you have to click on IBM dashboard. Okay. You can either go to catalog, softwares and search for Node-RED, or from dashboard, search for Node-RED. Then you will find an option called Node-RED app. Have you found this, guys? If so, I'll move forward. Click on that Node-RED app. Is everyone on this page now? Okay, Balakrishnan, I'll wait. If everyone is on this page, from the dashboard, Maunisha, from the dashboard, search for Node-RED, Node-RED. You will get an option called Node-RED app. Click on that. You will be redirected to a page which will look like this. If you are on this page, click on Get Started. After clicking on Get Started, you will be redirecting to a page which will ask you to create the service. So here you can put any region, not an issue. This should be light plan, and you can give your own name, but this own name should be unique. Okay, so it's better you take the name which is suggested by IBM itself. All right. So now just scroll down, click on create. Scroll down and click on create. Yeah, region can be anything. So click on create. Have you clicked on create, guys, everyone? Yes, so I am creating it. So once you start creating, your app will be creating. So if you see here, another service called Cloudent is getting created. So this Cloudent is nothing but the database. So whenever you use any PHP or something else, you will have PHP MyAdmin as the database, right? So in the same way, for web applications, if you want to build web applications, it should have some sort of database. So this database is nothing but you can consider as Cloudent. So that Cloudent DB is created. So now you have to configure this continuous delivery. That means in order to enable continuous delivery to automate your builds, tests, deployments, everything can be done once you deploy your app. So after creating the app, you have to deploy your app. So please click on deploy your app. Please click on deploy your app. Is everyone on this page? Is everyone on this page, guys? Yes. Now please generate an API key for that. So to generate it, you have to click on new. After clicking on new, click on OK. Your API key will be generated. Now, here you have memory allocation, right? Please change that to 256. Beyond 256, you have to pay, guys. So if suppose, if you are getting these as red icons, so try selecting different countries. I mean, try selecting different countries. So I'm selecting it as London now. If you have red color things like this, so try selecting different countries. Then your organization will be there. So why this is like, I have created my cloud, I have signed in or registered my cloud in London. So that's the reason the organization space will be associated with London itself. Organization space is nothing but your mail ID. Okay. So done this, guys. Done till here, everyone. Guys, everyone done till there? Yes. So once this done, scroll, click on next, click on create. Once you've clicked on create, you can see the status of it. Right here towards right, you can see the status. So in this Dallas region, I am integrating all my tools. So first it will be like no stage detected, no stages detected. Then it will change to success. So this will take some time, guys. So let's wait until it changes to success. Okay. Is everyone on this page now? Megashri, I cannot go back and show you once again. So from where am I supposed to tell you? Just tell me. I cannot show you again. Just tell me where have you got stuck. Last input. Yeah, from no stage detected to success it will become Krishnavamsi. So if you have seen the success status here, you have to open your Node-RED service. How can we open our Node-RED service? First of all, you have to click on IBM Cloud. So once you redirect to your dashboard, there you will have your Cloud Foundry apps. So Prajakta, this is how you can open your Node-RED service. You'll see this Cloud Foundry app. So can everyone see that? So click on this Cloud Foundry app. You will get redirected to a page again which looks like this. Here you will have Cloud Foundry apps. Click on Node-RED. So here you will find a status called running. So did everyone get redirected to this page? Go to your dashboard. In that dashboard, go to your Cloud Foundry apps. In that, you will have Cloud Foundry apps. Click on this Node-RED. So you will get redirected to a page which will look like this. In runtime, you are having 0 MB. Didn't you change that to 256 Jawhar? Okay, we'll see. So everything is like a blue color. I mean the purple color, and everything is like used as purple. Oh, it says 256 is used. Okay, maybe yours is like a new one, so that's the reason it is showing like that. I mean, it's a free one, right? So what we do is like we will give some sort of coupon so that you will get 256 MB here. So how to do that is, yes. So I'll show you how do you apply coupon, okay? So now go to cognitive class dot AI. Cognitive class dot AI. So we'll add some coupon, guys. We'll see whether that works or not. So I'm putting that URL in the chat window. Cognitive class dot AI. Go to cognitive class dot AI. Then you will get redirected in this way. Just close it. So is everyone on this page? Click on sign up. Click on sign up. Click on sign up. Use IBM ID. Use IBM ID. So I already have that. So that's the reason I got like this. So can someone send me the screenshot how you got so that I can make you go further? Did someone send me the screenshot, guys? Can you please send the screenshot so that I can make you go through? Thank you so much, Vamsi. Not this, Vamshi. I said about cognitive class AI. So I asked you to sign up, right? I asked you to sign up on this cognitive class AI, right? As I already have my account, it is showing like this, but you will find a different one. That's what I asked, not this one. So, okay, you already got created like this itself. Fine. So now guys, you please click on explore courses. There, please select any course that you want. Select any course that you want. Click on enroll. Click on enroll. Oh, very bad. They have removed this things, guys. Actually, whenever you enroll for a course, they'll give you some sort of a promo code. They're not giving it right now. Did you get any promo code? Are bad. Did anyone get any promo code after you enroll to the courses? Oh. Okay, fine. Let it be. Okay, fine. Let it be. That's okay. So I've already applied promo code. So that's the reason I was like able to see like this. Or try moving this. Try moving this, guys. And save it. No, put it like that itself. Try changing that once. But again, they have to log in with their institution mail IDs, Divya. After login, if you apply for any courses, they will give. No, just change this. Change this to higher number, Balakrishnan. Okay, that's okay, guys. Let it be. Fine. So please click on visit app URL. Did you get redirected to this page? Anyways, please click on visit app URL. Did you get redirected to this page? Okay, fine. So click on next. Click on next. Do not give username and password. Click on allow anyone to view the editor, but not make any changes. So Navya, on this IBM portal, on this IBM page, you will have this visit app URL. So as soon as you click on visit app URL, you get redirected to Node-RED page. Click on next. unselect this, select this, I'm sorry. After selecting that, select this. Again, tick this box. Click on next. Until here, everyone. Click on next. Finish. So this is how your Node-RED, I mean, we didn't yet get redirected to the page, but I'll show you how it will get, how we'll get redirected. Click on visit app URL, guys. What happened? Yeah. So whenever you are redirected to this, click on go to your Node-RED flow. So once you click on next, 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 next and finish, you will be redirecting to a page which will have go to your Node-RED flow. So please click on that. Your Node-RED flow will be shown. So tomorrow we will see how do we use this. Okay.